Hey everyone, welcome to App Mentor. In this video, I'll show you how to activate Gmail of Google Workspace in Squarespace DNS records. So first of all, step number one, get your Google Workspace DNS settings, sign into your Google Admin Console. After that, go to Domains, find your domain, click on your domain name and then click Activate Gmail. View Setup Instructions. A list of Google Workspace MX records will be provided. Keep this tab open as you'll need to copy these records into your Squarespace DNS settings. After that, log in into your Squarespace DNS. Log in into your Squarespace account. Go to the settings for your site. From your homepage, click Settings. After that, go to Domains, and in the Settings panel, click on Domains. Choose the domain you want to set up Gmail for. If you're registered the domain with Squarespace, select the domain from the list. If it's an external domain, use a domain I own, then connect to your external domain. Scroll down to the DNS settings section and click DNS settings. And after that, activate Gmail, return to your Google Admin Console, activate Gmail to confirm that you've updated your DNS records. It may take a few minutes to a few hours for the records to fully propagate. Once the DNS changes propagate, your Gmail for Google Workspace will be activated and ready to use for your domain. Thank you for watching, guys. If this helped, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.